Hey guys, it's the IRS, and today I'm going to show you how to use Remote Spy. And I have a really good Remote Spy script. I'm a little bit sick today, so just ignore my voice. Also, this is a don't ask about the game. It's a really terrible game, but Remote Spy works good on it for the yen, because I get yen every second, which is normal, but with Remote Spy we'll make it so I get like 50 yen every second. So I'm using Hexus today, so you're gonna need to exploit that executes Remote Spy. So I'll also leave this Remote Spy script in the description. Okay, so once you executed it, you'll have a little open button up here or down here. So once you press it, it'll give you a little Remote Spy GUI. It'll show you all these remotes. Some games have a lot of remotes, like this one, and some don't. So if you don't know what the remote is called, you can spy all the remotes. So right now I already know what it's called because I've done this before, but the remote we're looking for is called ValueChange. So we're gonna unspy all the remotes now that we know it's called. And the argument is YenLoop, so let's look for ValueChange. And there it is, so we're going to spy. And now that we know it's working, we can get the path. I already have the script copied to my keyboard, but what you would do is you'd copy to your clipboard for and then you can just like edit your Remote Spy script. So let me show you. So since I have it copied, I'll just paste it. So this is your Remote Spy script. This will work for like any game, including FE games. The only time it won't work is if their remotes are like really well made and like they're in like some other language. Like in this Godzilla simulator, their remote arguments are in like Japanese kanji or something. So, and there could also be like a bunch of letters and numbers. Luckily this has copying function, so this is why I really like this Remote Spy script. So what you would do is you change this to your argument, which is YenLoop for us. I already changed it. And then this right here, game.ReplicatedStorage, you just do game dot and whatever your remote is, it's in the Explorer. So now watch my yen, but when I press execute, my yen is going up like a lot, really fast. And so that's basically what my Remote Spy script does. I'll put that in the description as well, but try this on a game, any game basically, and see what you can do with it. So there you go, guys. See you later. Thanks for watching.